Hey guys, welcome to the Magpie Ranch Paintball channel, and today I'm going to be doing a versus video. But before I get into it guys, subscribe to that channel, smash that like button, and of course share and comment at the end of the video, okay? Guys, today's versus topic, I think is going to be a cool one, is because I'm comparing, or the versus comparison is going to be a rifled Hammerhead TiPX barrel, right, which is approximately 6 inches, versus the factory TiPX barrel, so non-rifled barrel at 6 inches, okay? And I'm gonna be testing it at 10 yards and at 20 yards, okay guys? Guys, I just recently zeroed this marker at 10 yards. Go check out that video where we finally determined that the zero on a TiPX pistol, the iron sights is zeroed at 10 yards using first strike rounds and a rifle barrel, okay guys? And so this video, I just wanted to see the accuracy, precision difference between a rifle barrel, you know, of similar length with the factory TiPX non-rifle barrel, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start out with the rifle barrel, okay? And I'm gonna shoot 3 rounds using the rifle barrel, okay? And then I will swap it out and shoot the next 3 rounds out of the non-rifle barrel, and then we'll compare the groups and see what kind of the groups are, okay? The distance, I have a target set out there at 10 yards, and then of course I'll swap out targets after every barrel shot. The temperature for today's test, we're right at 60 degrees approximately. And once again, we're in luck. There's no crosswind at the marker. I've chronoed this marker at approximately 280 feet per second, guys, but because of the CO2 that it uses, its feet per second is so off. So unfortunately, you know, it's not as consistent as our HPA, you know, compressed air type markers, but it is what it is. The magazines I'm going to be using today is going to be our 6-round FSR magazines, which are in essence the 7-round round ball magazines, and then of course the TCR, or of course the long range conversion 12-round FSR capable mags, okay? And the FSR I'm using, of course, as always, is our Mark 68 Mod 1 general purpose first strike rounds, okay guys? All right, so let's begin using the rifle barrel, and let's check and see what our group size is, okay? Okay guys, so like I was telling you, problem with the first strike, or I guess the Tipman, because of using CO2, the fluctuation of the FSR is so inconsistent. So unfortunately, it caused a break, but let me clean it up and we will continue with the 12-round magazines, okay? All right. So that was at 308, guys. So like I said, unfortunately, it was shooting earlier at 280, 285, but like I said, the CO2 is just kind of fluctuating kind of improperly. So I'm not going to change it because I don't want to throw off the results of the test with the rifle barrel. The non-rifle barrel, right? So I'm just going to show you guys the different group sizes, okay? So as you guys can see here, the power of paintballs, you know, shot at a very close distance, you know, especially when it's over velocity, right? Like this was, like I said, shooting at 320, 325 feet per second, and it actually punched a hole through our plastic target here. Now, guys, don't get me wrong, too. This plastic target, I've shot thousands of rounds through it, so I'm pretty sure the plastic is starting to get weak, starting to get brittle. So it doesn't surprise me that after that many rounds of firing that it finally poked a hole through it. But just to show you that, you know, obviously the rounds can hurt at a close distance. with the high velocity, okay? So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'm gonna shoot, aim the target here with the non-rifle barrel, and then we'll see what our group size is, okay guys? And then we'll take measurements afterwards. All right. All right, guys, so although 3 shots was right at about 304 feet per second, so they were a little bit high, but luckily it settled down a little bit. But even then, you'll notice that the precision is not as great as the FSR rifle barrel. So I had 2 shots that were pretty close to each other with the non-rifle barrel, but you can see that there's just this one flyer due to the inconsistency. And so the group size of the non-rifle barrel is right at, wow, that's right at under 7 inches, guys, or right about 6 7/8 inches, okay? And of course the width is about 1.5, but yeah, about 6 7/8. Whereas the FSR rifle barrel from Hammerhead, the highest or the longest distance between the 3 shots was 4 inches, guys. So roughly a 3-inch, 2 to 3 inch, 2.5 inch to 3 inch better grouping at 10 yards with the rifle barrel. Let's move the target back. I'll set up another target at 20 yards and let's see what the accuracy and precision is with the 2 different barrels. Once again, I'll shoot with the rifle barrel first, 3 shots, and then I'll take another 3 shots with the non-rifle barrel, okay? So hey guys, so this was the 20-yard result of the Hammerhead rifle barrel for our TiPX versus just the factory non-rifled TiPX barrel. And once again, like I was telling you guys, how effective the rifle barrels are. I had 3 shots right here, pretty much 1, 2, 3, with the rifle barrel. The group size on that one, guys, the largest distance between the groups is literally at 3 inches at 20 yards out of a 6-inch barreled pistol. Not too bad. Now obviously I was aiming right here, guys, so the iron sights, the fact that it's a pistol, maybe my trigger press, my accuracy wasn't as good as I would have liked, but the precision was definitely good, right? Bam, all 3 shots within a 3-inch grouping. Whereas the non-rifle barrel, you can kind of see the lack of accuracy and precision. Now, real quick, I did have to do a CO2 change in between there. I guess one thing I gotta said once again, guys, I don't like about the TiPX pistol because it uses CO2, and there's so much inconsistency with that, that gas, with that, with that type of propulsion system. So I shot, I believe I shot 5 shots, actually 6 shots for you guys, just to be fair, because the first 2 shots were, the velocity was all kind of weird, okay? So there was 1 shot that hit up here, and then there was another shot that hit up here because of the velocity weirdness, okay? I was literally aiming right here on the non-rifle barrel test versus up here on the rifle barrel test. And even though I was aiming here, I got a shot here, a shot here, a shot here, and a shot here. And so the distance between those 4 or 5 shots, guys, the highest distance is right at 10 inches. Okay, 10 inches. Okay, actually this one is going to be the highest distance, guys, because of such that velocity fluctuation with the TiPX. Okay, this one was 13 inches. But even if we take that flyer out, guys, with the non-rifle barrel, the highest distance between the shots is still right at 10 inches, okay? So you guys can see 10-inch group versus a 3-inch group with a rifle barrel. So guys, hopefully that helps you guys today. Obviously, I'm gonna do these tests with other markers like our T15 and our M17. But as you guys can see here, even with a short barreled marker like our TiPX pistol 6-inch barrel, the rifle barrel makes the precision and accuracy a lot better. So hey guys, if you guys like that video, subscribe to the channel, guys. So many viewers out there watching my videos. I appreciate it, but hit that subscribe button. Do me a huge favor. Push the MagFed community up there, MagFed content up there. Smash that like button. And of course, share and comment. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.